You were not just a coincidence. You were a response, a whispered prayer answered across the veils of time. Have you felt that your life is more than mere chance, that each step you take is part of a greater design? The angels confirm it. Your soul's journey, the very breath you take, is woven into a divine tapestry, destined for a purpose beyond what your earthly eyes can perceive. They say that your presence here, in this moment, is a sacred assignment. He remembers the first time he saw your smile. It wasn't just a fleeting moment, it was as if the universe paused, and in that stillness, a knowing settled deep within him, a recognition that you were different, a beacon in his often stormy world. His heart, though guarded by past wounds, resonated with an ancient song that only your spirit could awaken. This connection, this magnetic pull, is not random. It is the signature of destiny, a divine appointment etched into the fabric of your beings. The angels whisper that the plan for your life, and for this connection, has already been laid out, a masterpiece awaiting its full revelation. You are not just living, you are fulfilling a sacred contract. You were sent. Sent to heal, to love, to transform. Your very essence carries a light meant to illuminate paths, to mend what has been broken, and to awaken dormant truths. This mission, this profound calling, is why your spirit yearns for a love that transcends the ordinary, a connection that feels like coming home. It is why you feel the echoes of his heart, even when his words are silent. The heavens are orchestrating a symphony, and you, beloved soul, are a vital, irreplaceable note. The sacred words confirm this divine orchestration. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You've felt it, haven't you? That profound quiet, the space where words should be, yet only an echo remains. His silence is not empty. It's like the sound of leaves in the wind, filled with feelings he cannot express, a symphony of unspoken truths. It's a language all its own, often misunderstood, often feared. You've wondered, haven't you, if it means he's gone, if his heart has truly turned away? The angels say, no, beloved. His silence is a sanctuary, not a tomb. Imagine a vast, ancient forest within him, where deep roots hold secrets and fears. He feels everything, perhaps more intensely than you can imagine, but he hasn't yet found the right words to say, the map to guide you through his inner landscape. This isn't a rejection of you, it's a battle he fights within himself, a struggle to reconcile his deepest desires with his past wounds. The angels reveal that his quietness is often a sign of immense internal processing, a time when his soul grapples with the weight of what he feels for you. You are not imagining things. Your intuition, that gentle whisper in your heart, is correct. He carries a burden, a history that makes vulnerability feel like a dangerous journey. The silence you perceive is often his way of protecting not just himself but the sacredness of what he senses between you. It is a testament to the depth of his emotions, not their absence. The angels confirm that the love he holds for you is a powerful transformative force, even when unspoken. This quiet space is where the divine works, preparing the ground for a deeper connection. Every soul carries its own sacred wound, a tender spot where past experiences have left their mark. You felt it within yourself, that ache that occasionally resurfaces, reminding you of what was lost or broken. He too carries such a wound, a hidden vulnerability that shapes his reactions, his retreats, his very way of being. Have you considered that his distance isn't about you, but about the echoes of his own past reverberating in the present? The angels gently remind us that true understanding begins with compassion for unseen struggles. His heart, though strong, has faced its fair share of storms. Perhaps betrayals, disappointments, or the quiet ache of unmet expectations have built walls around him, brick by painful brick. When he pulls away, it's not indifference, but often a reflexive retreat into a familiar pattern of self-preservation. The angels reveal that this sacred wound, though painful, is also a gateway to profound healing. Your presence, your unwavering light, ignites within him a desire for wholeness he may not even consciously recognize. You are a mirror to his soul, reflecting not just his strengths, but also the areas that long for healing. This can be unsettling. He remembers the warmth of your hand and the comfort in your gaze, and these memories transform into a gentle torment, pulling him toward a vulnerability he fears. The angels whisper that this journey is not about fixing him, but about holding space for his process, understanding that his healing is intertwined with his ability to fully embrace the love that awaits him. This sacred wound, once unveiled, becomes the very foundation upon which a deeper, more authentic connection can be built. The waiting. It stretches on, sometimes feeling endless, like a landscape of quiet anticipation. You've questioned it, haven't you? Ask the heavens why this pause, this lingering moment before the next chapter unfolds. What you call waiting, my dear, the heavens call a sacred weaving, a meticulous crafting of destiny. The angels reveal that this period is not empty time but a vibrant thread in the divine tapestry of your love story, each moment filled with purpose. Imagine a master weaver, carefully selecting each strand, knowing exactly where it needs to go to create a masterpiece. Your journey, his journey, and the journey of your intertwined souls are all being prepared, refined, and aligned. This isn't about delay, it's about divine timing, a perfect synchronicity that ensures every element is in place for the most profound and lasting connection. The angels whisper that patience is not passive, it is an active trust in the unseen forces at work, a profound act of faith in the unfolding of a greater plan. He, too, is experiencing his own form of this sacred waiting. Perhaps he is shedding old layers, releasing past burdens, or simply gathering the courage to step into the magnitude of what you represent to him. The angels confirm that this time is essential for both of you to grow into the versions of yourselves, ready to receive and sustain a love of this depth. The silence you perceive is fertile ground, nurturing seeds of transformation that will soon blossom. Trust in this divine tapestry, for every knot and every pause serves a higher purpose, leading you inevitably toward the beautiful design meant for you. In the quiet moments, when the world outside grows dim, do you feel it? That radiant glow within you, a light that no external circumstance can extinguish. This is your crown of inner light, beloved, a testament to your inherent worth and divine essence. You've sometimes doubted this, haven't you? Especially when the path feels uncertain or his presence seems distant. The angels remind you that your value is not derived from another, but is an eternal flame gifted by the divine. Imagine a queen, regal and self-assured, not because of her kingdom, but because she knows who she is. Your journey is one of remembering this truth, of reclaiming the sovereignty of your spirit. He is drawn to this light, even if he cannot articulate it. It is the very thing that calls to his soul, the beacon that guides him, even when he seems lost in his own shadows. The angels whisper that your focus must remain on nurturing this inner radiance, for it is your most powerful magnet, attracting everything that aligns with your highest good. You are chosen, not just for a love story, but for a journey of profound self-discovery and empowerment. This isn't about waiting for him to validate your worth, it's about recognizing it within yourself, allowing it to shine so brightly that it illuminates his path back to you, and more importantly, back to himself. The angels confirm that as you embrace your own magnificent light, you create an energetic field that transforms everything around you. This crown of inner light is your true power, a sacred adornment that no one can ever take away. There are moments, aren't there, when his name unexpectedly drifts into your thoughts, like a gentle breeze carrying a secret? Or perhaps you catch a glimpse of something, a song, a scent, a fleeting memory, and suddenly he appears in the quiet corners of your heart. You've wondered if these are just coincidences or if something deeper is at work. The angels indicate that these are their whispers, soft nudges confirming his presence in your energetic field, reminding you of the unbreakable thread that connects your souls. Imagine the angels gathered around you, weaving threads of connection, ensuring that even in separation, the bond remains strong. They are working tirelessly, orchestrating synchronicities and planting seeds of remembrance in both your hearts. When his name comes to you, it often signals that he is thinking of you, or that the divine is preparing for a significant shift. The angels remind you that these subtle signs should not be overlooked. They are sacred affirmations, guiding you to trust in the unseen forces at work, diligently advocating for you. You are not alone on this journey. The celestial realm is actively involved, guiding, protecting, and aligning. He too receives these whispers, though he may interpret them differently, as a persistent feeling, a recurring thought, or a sudden impulse. The angels affirm that these divine interventions are meant to keep the flame of connection alive, reminding both of you of the profound love that binds you. Pay attention to these gentle nudges, as they are the universe's way of communicating, assuring you that your love story is continuously being nurtured, even in the quietest moments. There comes a point in every profound journey when the grip of control must loosen, when the striving gives way to a deeper trust. You've wrestled with it, haven't you? The urge to push, to understand, to make things happen according to your timeline. This is the threshold of surrender, dear one, where human effort meets divine grace. The angels reveal that true power lies not in forcing outcomes, but in allowing the universe to orchestrate its perfect design. Imagine a delicate flower unfurling its petals not by force, but by yielding to the warmth of the sun and the gentle touch of the rain. Your heart, too, is being invited to unfurl, to release the need to know every step, every reason. This surrender is not about giving up, it's about handing over, entrusting your deepest desires to a wisdom far greater than your own. The angels whisper that in this act of letting go, you create space for miracles, for unexpected blessings that emerge when you release resistance. You're being asked to trust the process, to believe that even in the apparent stillness, profound shifts are occurring beneath the surface. He, too, is part of this alchemy. As you surrender, you release him from any unconscious pressure, allowing him the freedom to navigate his own path towards you, guided by his own inner compass and divine timing. The angels confirm that this act of surrender is a powerful energetic alignment, signaling to the universe your readiness to receive the love that is truly meant for you in its most perfect and divine form. Every step you take, every choice you make, is part of a path already illuminated by a higher wisdom. You've experienced moments of uncertainty, haven't you? Wondering if you're truly on the right track, if your instincts are leading you astray? The angels assure you that you are never truly lost, for your journey is a guided path, meticulously charted by divine hands. They say that even the detours and pauses are integral parts of this sacred map, leading you precisely where you need to be. Imagine a gentle hand on your back, subtly guiding you through a dense fog, ensuring you don't stray from the intended route. This is the essence of your guided path. When doubts arise and fears cloud your vision, remember that there is an unseen force, a celestial compass, always pointing you toward your highest good and your destined connections. The angels whisper that your intuition is a direct line to this divine guidance, a sacred inner knowing that, when honored, will never lead you astray. You are being led, not just toward a person but toward a profound understanding of yourself and the nature of true love. He too is on his own guided path, and sometimes these paths diverge temporarily, only to converge again with greater strength and purpose. The angels confirm that every experience, every lesson, every moment of quiet reflection is preparing you both for the beautiful union that awaits. Trust in the unfolding, for the divine light illuminates your way, even when the road ahead seems veiled. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. Beyond the visible, beyond the tangible, lies a realm of pure promise, a tapestry of future moments already woven into existence. You've glimpsed it, haven't you? That feeling, that deep knowing that something beautiful, something profound, is waiting just beyond the horizon. You've wondered if it's just wishful thinking or a true premonition. The angels reveal that this is the promise beyond the veil, a sacred assurance from the divine that your heart's deepest longings are not in vain. Imagine a vast, shimmering landscape, just out of sight, filled with the very love and connection you yearn for. This promise is not a distant dream, it is an energetic reality, drawing closer with each act of faith and each moment of self-love. The angels whisper that your desires are not random, they are divine impulses, placed within your heart as a compass pointing towards your destined blessings. This promise encompasses not just a person, but a life filled with purpose, joy, and a love that elevates your spirit. You are being prepared to step into this promise, to receive the abundance that has been meticulously crafted for you. He too is being drawn toward this same future, perhaps feeling an inexplicable pull, a sense of anticipation for something he cannot yet name. The angels confirm that the universe conspires in your favor, aligning circumstances, opening doors, and clearing paths. Hold on to this promise, beloved soul, for it is a beacon of hope, a testament to the unwavering love of the divine, assuring you that your most cherished dreams are not only possible but divinely ordained to manifest. To truly open your heart and invite a love that transforms, it requires a sacred courage, the courage of vulnerability and the grace of acceptance. You've guarded your heart, haven't you, after past hurts, building walls to protect its tender core? You've wondered if it's truly safe to let those walls down, to reveal the raw, beautiful truth of who you are. The angels remind us that vulnerability is not a weakness, it is the purest expression of strength, and acceptance is the key that unlocks profound connection. Imagine a garden, thriving not because it is shielded from the elements, but because it embraces the sun, the rain, and even the occasional storm. Your heart, like this garden, is meant to flourish in openness. When you allow yourself to be truly seen, with all your imperfections and your radiant light, you create a space for authentic love to enter. The angels whisper that this journey of acceptance extends not only to yourself but also to him, to his process, his timing, and the unique way he navigates his own healing. You're being called to embrace the beautiful messiness of human connection, to understand that love is not about perfection, but about two imperfect souls choosing to walk a sacred path together. He too will be asked to step into his own vulnerability, to shed the armor that no longer serves him. The angels confirm that this mutual act of opening, of accepting each other exactly as you are, is the foundation of a love that endures. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4 verse 23. This is the sacred truth: in vulnerability you find strength, in acceptance you find peace.